Not every escape needs a long journey. Sometimes it just needs a pause. Welcome to the Villa Roma Resort, where wellness begins the moment you slow down. Here, your day moves differently. Gentle yoga to reconnect with your body. Guided meditation to quiet your mind. Ease into gentle flow yoga, a slow, intentional practice that helps you reconnect with your body, one breath at a time. Each moment invites you to breathe deeper, release stress, and find balance again. Where quiet moments create clarity, balance, and calm. Step into Sound and Soul, a guided sound healing experience designed to bring your body and mind into deep relaxation. Through layers of calming sounds and gentle breathwork, you begin to let go and simply be, relax, restore, rebalance. This is your wellness escape. From comfortable stays to thoughtful experiences, everything here is designed to help you slow down and feel better. Because sometimes the best thing you can do is pause. Experience it at the Villa Roma. Your wellness escape starts here at the Villa Roma.